This is the introduction to a unique machining technology, milling and turning of a blank bar in one machining center. The MC526MT, M stands for milling and T for turning, machines complex shape precision parts directly from the blank bar. Parts of any type of material with cylindrical as well as prismatic shapes, with cross-sections from 0.59 to 2.56 inches. Completely machined from the blank bar in only one setup, including machining of the sixth side. All common machining procedures can be performed using a turning unit and 5 interpolating NC axes. Swiveling and rotating of the bar with A and B axes. With X, Y, and Z axes, the milling and turning tool is moved. And here's how it works. The bar material, for example, steel, titanium, aluminum, or plastic material, is loaded automatically from a bar magazine into a combined tilting and rotating unit with an integrated turning spindle. Then clamped, and here we go. With the powerful turning spindle, up to 64 horsepower and 5,000 revolutions per minute, turning operations will be excellently performed in both vertical and horizontal position. Even complex-shaped workpieces, for example with positive and negative contours, are machined easily and accurately with one standard tool in one operation on the machining center. The benefit of always having only one tool in the working area guarantees an unrestricted view and no interference. For the powerful milling spindle, up to 50 horsepower and 12,000 revolutions per minute, the same applies. No matter whether rough machining operations or precision milling, drilling, boring, or threading operations, everything is performed with the necessary accuracy. The spindle headstock with no interference for use with the shortest possible tools, and the 42-pocket tool magazine with patented tool management system for consistently short chip-to-chip times are further highlights of this unique machining center. Let's have a look at machining of the sixth side. A side mill cutter separates the workpiece from the bar, retaining just a small stem. To sum up, the bar machining center is the ideal production solution for complex-shaped, high-precision workpieces with milling and turning operations from the blank bar in only one setup. Starmouth, excellence in manufacturing.